Alright guys, this is my 2000 Contour SVT. Had it since end of 2007. Now I am having a little problem with it. I'll show you that right now. I'm just doing a little walk around. And yeah, it's build number 1005 for the year 2000. Got it right there. Alright, that's my problem. Making a knocking noise. Now I've heard about this bearing or whatever, but it definitely sounds like it's coming from under the valve cover. About down in here, or right here, right under the valve cover. That's the noise it's making, so if I could get some ideas on what it might be. I'm thinking a valve or a rocker or lifter or something. Not sure, but yeah, that's what it's doing. It's been like that since around October, November. I've still been driving it. I'm not losing power or anything, it's just making that noise, and it's a really loud noise and it's annoying, and I need to get this thing fixed. So any ideas on what it might be, let me know. Thanks.